Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tradingview.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tradingview website. Now from the home page, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed with logging into your account using your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you will end up within the market summary page, where you will see various different stocks and their prices. Now, if you wish to change your email address, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile Settings. Now, from this page, at the right side underneath Private Details, you will find the Change Email button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can click on the Send Code option, which will send a verification code to your current email address. After tapping on this, just check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Type in this verification code within the given box and click on Submit. And now you will be allowed to change your email address. Type in your desired new email address and then enter your password to confirm your identity. After entering both of these, click on the Save Changes button, and now your email address will be changed on your Tradingview account right away. You will now be able to use this new email address in order to log into your account on the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.